Stormy weather is going to persist this Monday across the eastern parts of the country, including much of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Wet weather is also forecast along the south coast and the adjacent interior. It's going to stay mostly sunny over northwestern South Africa. So for the rest of your Monday, you can expect up to a 40% chance of light rain along the south coast, and over the eastern interior, we are expecting a 40% chance of thunderstorms wherever you see that light shade of blue. Where you see the darker shade of blue, a 60% chance of thunderstorms is expected. The South African Weather Service is still maintaining a warning for extremely uncomfortable weather conditions along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas and the adjacent interior. A watch is also in place for severe thunderstorms over southwestern KwaZulu-Natal. Wherever you see that shade of amber, the storms could produce large hail and damaging winds in those areas. It's going to stay sizzling hot this Monday afternoon for Upington, hot as well in Kimberley with a high of around 33 degrees, 30 in Mahikeng, a warm 26 for Joburg, 2 degrees warmer for Pretoria, Polokwane and Mbombela. Temperatures will be in the upper 20s for Durban and Pietermaritzburg. Richards Bay peaks at 31, 26 for East London and Port Elizabeth, and a warm 28 for the mother city. And now for a look at what's in store for the coastal areas. Fog patches along the west coast are going to keep beach conditions poor over these areas, including strong winds for areas around Alexander Bay as well as down into Langaban. Along the southwest coastline, we are expecting a fairly moderate winds here, and we're expecting swell heights off the southwest coastline to average around 2 meters. A southwesterly breeze is forecast into Cape Agulhas. Southwesterlies are also forecast along the south coast, and light rain is going to keep beach conditions poor over these areas. Lastly, a look along the east coast, where wet weather is also going to keep beach conditions poor. Strong northeasterlies are forecast around Richards Bay, and we're expecting swell heights to stay around 2 meters off the east coast.